In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your credit card transactions effectively using a straightforward accounting method that will help you keep track of your spending and payments with ease. Whether you're juggling multiple accounts or just getting started with managing a single credit card, these instructions will simplify the process. Let's dive in. To get started, you'll want to create a new credit card account in your financial software. First, navigate to the Actions menu, then select New Account. This is where the journey begins in tracking your credit card activity. For the account name, you'll need to enter the name of your card, like Visa card or whatever fits your specific type of card. This step is crucial as it helps you differentiate between various accounts if you happen to maintain more than one credit card. Next, make sure to choose credit card as your account type. This classification is important because it differentiates the credit card transactions from other types, like savings or checking accounts, ensuring that the software handles them correctly. Once you've completed these fields, click OK to create the account. And just like that, your credit card setup is ready, and you're on your way to better financial management. Now, let's talk about recording your purchases. Start this step by double-clicking the new credit card account you've set up. This action will open an interface displaying your transactions for that specific account. On a blank line, you'll begin by adding a transaction. Enter the date the purchase occurred, which helps in maintaining accurate records and makes it easier to review past transactions. Next, fill in the description field. Be as specific as possible by describing what you bought, such as groceries. This minor detail goes a long way in providing clarity when reviewing your expenses at a later date. In the Transfer Account field, select the appropriate expense account to categorize your spending correctly. Lastly, type in the purchase amount in the Withdrawal field. This step reflects the money going out of your credit card and paints a clearer picture of your financial activity. Finally, it's essential to record the payments you make to the credit card. Staying within the same credit card account window, you'll add another transaction. For the description, you might type payment from checking, or any phrase that similarly indicates a payment made towards the card. Then choose your bank account in the Transfer Account section. Inputting this tells the software where the payment is coming from, usually a checking account. In the Deposit field, type in the amount paid towards your credit card. Recording these payments diligently ensures that your credit card balance is up to date, reflecting the true remaining balance on your card. By following these steps, you can maintain clear and accurate credit card records, which is key for managing personal finances effectively.